How to fix Realme 13 keeps vibrating. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then scroll down and here you can turn off your notification alert sound. After turn off, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and then here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it. Now here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.